So Matt, tell us a little bit more about what intellectual property is and how people view and understand it.
Right. That's something that's commonly discussed in the media, and those types of cases seem to become extremely important. So let's talk about regular property. First of all, if you own your car, you sort of know what that means. You can drive it, you can sell it, it's yours, it's tangible. Intellectual property more or less means that you can exclude someone from using something. So for example, a patent is a license to exclude the world from practicing the invention that's described in the patent. You don't have to use it. You don't have to make it. You don't have to build it. Same with trademarks, and same with trade secrets, same with other forms of what are called intellectual property. They're sort of like negative property to keep other people from using what you've created. It's a subject of great interest these days, and it involves a lot of very high-stakes litigation. I've handled intellectual property disputes in a number of different contexts. I've handled patent cases, I've handled trade secret cases, I've handled disputes between employees and employers over ownership of inventions. I understand the process, but it is really important for those that have created intellectual property to understand that they have enemies. And the enemy is often the rest of the world, that once you become successful, they want a piece of it and not pay for it. And so that's the contest out there of creating something of value and then protecting it. And it's usually critically important that the owner of something important protect it. So, and I've had lots of experiences with that. I have a client that had built a Mexican insurance online business from scratch a few years ago, and someone picked a similar name to his name and copied his entire web page content, including the colors and including the typos that he had in his web page. And the judge shut that down, making special note of the fact that they copied everything. It was an expensive proposition for the client at the time, but it's paid off. There's been dividends to it. People aren't going to do that again, and the people that did it were basically run out of business.
Well, I think that not only did you give us, us and your future clients, a Law 101, but you gave us some background about yourself and your law practice. So thank you for your time, Matt.
Thank you, Coach.